Guess the word. She always tells the truth, even when the truth is difficult. What word describes her? Honest, truthful. Example, she is an honest person. He loves helping people and happily shares his money and food with others. What word describes him? Generous, willing to give or share. Example, he is very generous. He never wants to work. He spends all day lying on the sofa and avoids his tasks. What word describes him? Lazy, unwilling to work. Example, he is too lazy to clean his room. She speaks English in front of hundreds of people without feeling nervous. What word describes her? Confident, meaning sure of yourself. Example, she is confident when she speaks English. A little boy keeps asking, why? How? What is that? Because he wants to know everything. What word describes him? Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Example, children are naturally curious. He drops his phone, spills his drink, and knocks over a chair, all in 5 minutes. What word describes him? Clumsy, often causing accidents by mistake. Example, I'm so clumsy today. Everyone tells him to change his decision, but he refuses to listen. What word describes him? Stubborn, unwilling to change your mind. Example, he is too stubborn to admit his mistake. She always says please, thank you, and excuse me. What word describes her? Polite, having good manners. Example, she is very polite to everyone. He worked all day, walked for hours, and now he can barely keep his eyes open. What word describes how he feels? Exhausted, extremely tired. Example, I'm completely exhausted. A stranger keeps looking around and secretly following someone. You feel that something isn't right. What word describes your feeling? Suspicious, feeling that something may be wrong. Example, his behavior seems suspicious. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.